Son of a bee sting, she's turning the entire office against us.
This is grim. Real grim. What are we going to do?
There's only one thing a man can do when he's suffering from a spiritual and existential funk.
Go to the zoo and flip off the monkeys?
No. Buy new suits. Yay!
Where the hell's the suit store? We've been walking for 45 minutes. Brick, I thought you said this was a shortcut.
Fantastic. Well, is it a shortcut or not? Okay. Jeez. Hey. Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. Burgundy ladies went out for a little stroll, huh? You boys go out walking around, talking things through.
Keep a tight perimeter.
Yeah. Yes, sirree. Well. Ron Burgundy and the Channel 4 News team. Where's your mommy? You back off, evening news team. No, I understand that, they had to bring a female in. Change your diapers. Wipe the dribble away from your bubbling lips. Rub Vaseline all over your hiney and tell you that it's special and different from everyone else's. He said hiney.
Brick, get back over here.
Hiney. Does he tuck you in, Ronnie? Give you a little kiss on your forehead? Tell you everything's gonna be okay? I've had enough of you, Mantooth. This is gonna end right here, right now. Let's dance, dickweed. You wanna dance, Ronnie? I want a polka. Come get a taste. Brick, where'd you get a hand grenade? I don't know. All right. Let's do this. Hey. If you're gonna have a fight, don't forget Channel 2 News with me, lead anchor Frank Fitcher. You dirtbags have been in third place for 5 years. Yeah? Well, you're about to be in dead place. Not so fast, you ingrates. Public news team is taking a break from its pledge drive to kick some ass. No commercials, no mercy. Yeah! ¿Cómo están, bitches? Spanish language news is here. Tonight's top story. The sewers run red with Burgundy's blood. Yeah! Well, looks like we got ourselves a bilingual blood fest. Now, before we do this, let's go over the ground rules. Rule number 1. No touching of the hair or face. Of course. And that's it. Now let's do this. Begin! I'm gonna straight up murder your ass. Wait. Ah, God! Ugh, I did not see that coming. Now I'll be number one. No, you won't. Policia! Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
It jumped up a notch.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah, I stabbed a man in the heart.
I saw that. Brick killed the guy. Did you throw a trident?
Yeah. Horses, a man on fire, and I killed a guy with a trident.
Brick, I've been meaning to talk to you about that. You should find yourself a safe house or a relative close by. Lay low for a while because you're probably wanted for murder. I'm proud of you fellas. Y'all have kept your head on a swivel, and that's what you gotta do when you find yourself in a vicious cockfight.
Can you man-tooth an old Channel 9 evening news team? I mean, where's your mommy? Someone's got to change your diapers. I'm telling you, this Corningstone business is really hurting our rep.
I know exactly what you mean, Brian. Every newsman in this city's laughing at us, and I don't like it.
I don't like the put-downs.
We're gonna do something about it. It is time to put an end to this. Last time I looked in the dictionary, my name's Ron Burgundy. What's your name?
Brian Fantana?
Champ Kind.
Brian Fantana.
No, you're Brick.
Brian.
I'm Brian.
Brick.